Growing papaya in a small home space for family consumption is a practical and rewarding way to produce fresh fruit right in your backyard. Papaya is a fast-growing tropical plant that thrives in warm climates with long summers. Even in areas with occasional cooler seasons, it can be grown successfully with proper planning and simple protection methods. The first step is choosing the right location. Papaya trees require full sun, ideally receiving 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. Without enough light, the plant becomes weak and fruit production decreases. Even in compact yards, side spaces, or small garden corners, 1 or 2 papaya plants can grow well if they have good sunlight and airflow. Proper air circulation helps reduce disease and keeps the plant healthy. Soil preparation is one of the most important stages. Papaya prefers light, well-draining, fertile soil. It does not tolerate standing water or heavy, compacted ground. If the soil is dense, dig a hole about 16 to 20 inches deep and wide, loosening the soil thoroughly. Mix the removed soil with well-rotted manure, compost, or worm castings. This organic matter improves drainage and provides nutrients for strong early growth. In regions where cold temperatures may occur, planting should be done after the last risk of frost. Young papaya plants are sensitive to freezing conditions. If temperatures drop unexpectedly, covering the plant overnight with breathable fabric or frost cloth can help protect it. Seeds can be taken from a ripe, healthy papaya. Remove the seeds, wash off the pulp, and let them dry in the shade for a few days. Once dry, they are ready to plant. Starting seeds in small containers is recommended for small spaces because it allows you to select the strongest seedlings before transplanting. Fill small pots or cups with drainage holes using fertile soil. Plant 2 or 3 seeds about ½ an inch deep. Keep the soil slightly moist but not soaked. Germination usually occurs within 2 to 3 weeks, depending on temperature. When seedlings reach about 6 to 8 inches tall and develop strong leaves, they are ready to be transplanted into the ground. For transplanting, place the seedling carefully into the prepared hole, keeping the root ball intact to avoid root damage. Fill around it with enriched soil and gently press to secure the plant. In small yards, spacing of about 5 to 6 feet between plants is sufficient. Even one healthy papaya tree can provide plenty of fruit for a family. Watering is especially important during the first months. The soil should remain consistently moist but never waterlogged. In hot and dry periods, watering several times per week may be necessary. During rainy periods, reduce irrigation to prevent root problems. Always check the soil before watering again. Papaya grows quickly under warm conditions. In favorable climates, it may begin flowering within 5 to 8 months after planting. During active growth, fertilize every 2 to 3 months with organic compost or well-rotted manure. Regular feeding supports continuous fruit development and healthy foliage. Flowers appear directly on the trunk. Papaya plants may produce male, female, or hermaphrodite flowers. For better fruit production, growing more than one plant increases the chances of proper pollination. However, many varieties are capable of producing fruit efficiently even in small home gardens. As fruits begin forming, continue regular watering and nutrient support. Keep an eye out for pests such as aphids or mites. In a family garden, simple natural solutions like mild soapy water sprays can help control minor infestations. Keep the area around the base of the plant clean, removing weeds that compete for nutrients. Adding mulch around the base helps retain soil moisture and regulate temperature. The fruits remain green for much of their development. Harvesting usually begins when the skin starts to show yellow patches. At this stage, the fruit can be picked and allowed to ripen indoors. To harvest, hold the fruit gently and twist carefully until it detaches from the trunk. One of the greatest advantages of growing papaya at home is its continuous production. A healthy plant can produce fruit for 2 to 3 years. This provides a steady supply of fresh, nutritious fruit rich in vitamins and fiber. In areas with cooler seasons, growth may slow during colder months. Reduce watering slightly and provide protection if temperatures drop significantly. Once warm weather returns, the plant resumes active growth and fruiting. From preparing the soil to harvesting ripe fruit, growing papaya in a small family space is simple and manageable. With adequate sunlight, proper drainage, balanced watering, and consistent care, even a limited backyard can become a reliable source of fresh fruit for household consumption.